Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the most insane machines on wheels. And today, buckle up, because we're stepping into a world where luxury doesn't just sit in a mansion, it drives on the highway. This is the 2026 Luxury Motorhome, and trust me, it costs more than most people's dream houses. But when you see what's inside, you'll understand exactly why. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic beast rolling down the road. Sleek design, sculpted bodywork, and technology dripping from every corner. But the magic really begins once the door slides open. Step inside, and the living room greets you with a panoramic view and a giant 4K smart TV built seamlessly into the wall. Plush designer sofas wrap around the space, giving you a lounge that feels like a five-star hotel lobby, except this one is on wheels. The lighting? Soft ambient LEDs set the mood with just a voice command. Now let's glide into the kitchen. This is not your typical camper kitchenette. We're talking a full gourmet setup. State-of-the-art induction stove, double-door refrigerator, built-in oven, even a hidden wine cooler. The marble finish countertops scream class. While the storage solutions are so clever, you'd swear this thing was designed by luxury yacht architects. Moving on, the bedroom is where this motorhome truly outshines most luxury apartments. A king-sized bed with memory foam, retractable skylights to sleep under the stars, and integrated smart controls for temperature, lighting, and entertainment. You can literally wake up to a sunrise at the push of a button and wait until you see the bathroom. Forget cramped RV showers, this is a spa on wheels. Full glass rainfall shower, premium stone finishes, heated flooring, and even a vanity setup with mood lighting. It's like a private suite at a five-star resort, except it drives anywhere you want to go. But here's the wild part. This motorhome isn't just about comfort. Hidden beneath is a powerhouse of engineering. It's loaded with cutting-edge suspension, a whisper-quiet hybrid drivetrain, and enough smart tech to basically drive itself. Imagine rolling through Europe, the desert, or the mountains in this rolling palace, with zero compromise on luxury. And yes, the price tag? Astronomical. We're talking mansion-level money. But if you can afford it, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying freedom wrapped in luxury. So what do you think? Would you trade a mansion for this motorhome? Or is this just billionaire-level extravagance? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Auto Plus, and hit the bell so you never miss out on the most jaw-dropping machines in the world. Trust me, what's coming next will blow your mind.